बिहारी को अपने बस कर पाऊं. Krishna and Radha. Radha is determined to win over Krishna. No matter what happens, she has to have his love. She plans a strategy. She thinks of writing a letter to him. She's not happy about that. She then decides to adorn herself. She changes her mind about that as well. She then thinks of making a nice recipe to cook for him. That doesn't work for her either. Now she's decided to go back to God and pray. That's when she decides that no matter what happens, God is with her and she's going to win him over. Krishna, I want to keep you captive. Krishna, I want to keep you to myself. But how do I do that? Maybe I should write a letter to you and tell you how much I love you. No, this probably won't work. How about if I adorn myself? That's of no use either. What shall I do? Maybe I'll cook for him. And the smells will get him to me. I don't think so. Oh dear. What do I do? God, help me. I really will pray to you. I want you to bless me so that he belongs to me and only me.
बिहारी को अपने बस कर पाऊं, 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 बिहारी। बिहारी को अपने बस कर पाऊं, 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 बिहारी बिहारी को अपने बस कर पाऊं, बिहारी को अपने बस कर पाऊं, बिहारी को अपने बस कर पाऊं, बस कर पाऊं, बस कर पाऊं।